Ginger tea is a flavorful and healthy drink that can be enjoyed all year round. Also, ginger tea is a great way to warm up on a cold day or to enjoy as a refreshing iced tea in the summer. So why not try incorporating ginger tea into your daily routine and experience the health benefits for yourself? It's an easy and delicious way to support your overall health and well-being. Here's how to prepare ginger tea at home. Ingredients: 2 inches fresh ginger root, 4 cups water, 1 to 2 tablespoons honey. Lemon wedges. Start by peeling the ginger root. You can use a vegetable peeler or the edge of a spoon to remove the skin. Once the ginger is peeled, slice it into thin pieces. You can use a knife or a grater to create thin slices. Bring 4 cups of water to a boil in a saucepan. Once the water is boiling, add the sliced ginger to the pot. Reduce the heat to medium-low and let the mixture simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. This will give the ginger enough time to infuse the water with its flavor. After 10 to 15 minutes, turn off the heat and remove the pot from the stove. Let the ginger tea cool down for a few minutes before serving. If you like to sweeten your ginger tea, you can add honey or another sweetener of your choice. Start with a small amount and add more as needed, tasting as you go. You can also add a splash of lemon juice to your ginger tea for a tangy flavor. This step is optional and depends on personal preference. Once your ginger tea is sweetened and lemon to your liking, it's ready to serve. You can pour it into mugs and enjoy it hot. Tips for preparing ginger tea: use fresh ginger root for the best flavor. Look for ginger that is firm and free of wrinkles. Slice the ginger into thin pieces to help release more flavor. Adjust the amount of ginger based on your preference. Some people prefer a stronger ginger flavor, while others prefer a milder taste. Let the ginger tea steep for at least 10 to 15 minutes to allow the ginger to fully infuse the water. Let it steep for longer if you'd like a stronger flavor. If you're adding honey or another sweetener to your ginger tea, start with a small amount and add more as needed. Ginger tea is naturally spicy, so you may not need much additional sweetness. If you're adding lemon juice to your ginger tea, start with a small amount and add more as needed. Lemon juice can help balance the spiciness of the ginger and add a tangy flavor. Ginger tea is best enjoyed hot. If you have leftover tea, store it in the refrigerator and reheat it when you're ready to drink it again.